Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reverse cash send on Capitec app step by step. So if you accidentally sent money to someone using Capitec Send Cash, don't worry because you may still be able to reverse it if the voucher has not been collected yet. Let's get started. First, open the Capitec app on your phone and sign in to your account using your PIN or fingerprint. Once you are logged in, go to the main dashboard of the app. Now tap on the Transact option. This section contains all your transaction features including transfers, payments, and send cash services. Next, scroll down until you find the Send Cash option and tap on it. Here you will see options related to your cash vouchers and transaction history. Now select View History to open the list of all the Send Cash vouchers you have created before. Carefully look through the list and tap on the specific voucher that you want to reverse or cancel. After opening the voucher details, check whether the voucher has already been redeemed or not. If the recipient has not withdrawn the money yet, you will see the Cancel Voucher option available on your screen. Tap on Cancel Voucher to continue. The app will ask you to confirm the cancellation request. Once confirmed, the voucher will be reversed immediately and the funds will be returned directly to your main Capitec account balance. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.